Did you know? Embark on a fascinating journey with us as we highlight 3 extraordinary abandoned locations across the globe, each with their distinct histories and unique tales. Our initial destination takes us to Chernobyl, Ukraine, a city that's essentially a time capsule from the 1980s. This once thriving community was abruptly silenced by a nuclear disaster, leaving in its wake an unsettling yet strangely captivating beauty, a haunting testament to the power of nature of man. From there, we sail across the sea to England, where we find the Monsal Sea Forts. These monumental structures, once crucial defenses during the turmoil of World War II, now stand as silent sentinels amidst the ceaseless roll of the waves, reminder of the past. Finally, we traverse the vast expanse of the African continent to reach the desolate ghost town of Kolmanskop, Namibia. Once a hub of diamond mining activity, it now lies shrouded in desert sands, its empty